Welcome students. In the last video, we discussed the chapter The 100 Dresses. In this chapter, it was a story about a Polish girl, Wanda Petronsky, and let us just now discuss the question answers. The first question is, where in the classroom does Wanda sit and why? Wanda sat next to the last seat in the last row in room, what was the room number? 13. Okay. And why she used to sit in the corner? Why? Because Wanda was a lonely girl. She did not have any friends. And when she used to enter in the class, her shoes were caked with dry mud. Caked का मतलब भरे होते थे. Her shoes were very dirty, so she used to just go and used to sit in the corner because she didn't want other students to make fun of her. She wanted peace, so that is why she used to sit away from everybody ताकि उसका कोई मजाक ना उड़ाए. The next question is, where does Wanda live? What kind of a place do you think it is? Wanda lived in Boggin Heights. This place was far away from school. Wanda used to come to school every day by walking. Because of that, her shoes were caked with dry mud, always. And this explains that the place from where she comes is not a very rich locality. Okay? So, इसका मतलब ये describe होता है कि वो Boggin Heights जो जगह है, that is not very rich, and probably वो इसलिए नहीं इतनी rich because she is an immigrated person और उनको नहीं इतना importance दिया जा रहा उस country में. The next question is, why didn't Maddie ask Peggy to stop teasing Wanda? What was she afraid of? The first point, Maddie ने Peggy से क्यों नहीं बोला कि उसको नहीं tease करना Wanda को? Why? First, because they both were best friends. Peggy was Maddie's best friend. Second, Maddie believed that Peggy would never do anything wrong to anybody. Okay, and what was she afraid of? She was afraid of कि अगर उसने टीज कराने के लिए मना कर दिया वांडा को, so she might be the next target for the children. Why? Because she was also poor, Maddie was also poor, and she used to wear old clothes. The next question is, did Wanda have 100 dresses? Why do you think she said she did? The answer is no. Wanda didn't have 100 dresses. She was poor, she was not very rich, she was poor, and she had an inferiority complex because people used to make fun of her. तो वो अपने आप को बहुत नीची समझती थी. So जब उससे कोई पूछता था, whenever somebody asked her, whenever people used to ask her, do you have 100 dresses or how many dresses do you have? She used to say, I have 100 dresses. Why? Because she wanted to impress others and she wanted to draw the attention towards her. That would make her happy for a while. The next question is, how is Wanda seen as different by the other girls? How do they treat her? Wanda is different from the other girls. Why? Because she is a Polish person. She has immigrated from Poland and she is not from America itself. So she is different in such ways. The other thing is she is poor. She is lonely, she does not have any other friends, okay? And the girls, how do they treat her? The other people, the other students in the school, they used to make fun of her dress, fun of her shoes, they used to make fun of her name also. So people treated her very rudely. The next question is, how does Wanda feel about the dresses game? Why does she say that she has 100 dresses? She was not interested at all. She did not show any interest. Why? Because that might be one of the reasons she was immigrated from the other country. Discrimination भी होती थी Wanda के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा, so she did not show any interest in anything. She was lonely. She used to sit alone in one place and then she used to come back home. And why does she say that she has 100 dresses then? She said that why? Because she was actually preparing for the competition, for the contest. She was actually making hundreds of dresses and she was lining them in the closet. So when anybody asked her, how many dresses does she have? She used to answer, I have 100 dresses. This was the reason she said that she has 100 dresses. Why does Maddie stand by and not do anything? How is she different from Peggy? Maddie and Peggy were best friends. When Peggy used to tease Wanda, Maddie used to stand there. She did not say anything. She used to get nervous. Why? Because she was also poor. She also wore old clothes and she did not want anybody else to target her. So she kept her mouth shut. She did not say anything to Peggy. So, how is she different from Peggy? Peggy was the most popular girl. She was the best liked girl in the school, in the classroom. And Maddie thought Peggy would not do anything wrong because Peggy was her best friend. And Maddie was poor. She herself was a poor girl. She used to wear somebody else's clothes too. So she was different. Why? Because Peggy was rich, she was pretty, she had new clothes, she had pretty clothes, but Maddie was poor. She wore Peggy's clothes also. So she did not say anything, and that is how she was different from Peggy. What does Miss Mason think of Wanda's drawings? What do the children think of them? How do you know? Okay, the answer to this question is Miss Mason, who was their class teacher, she really appreciated Wanda's drawing. Why? Because in the contest, the girls submitted the drawings of dresses, but there were one or two. But Wanda submitted 100 dresses and 100 beautiful, different, colorful dresses. So she was very happy to see this. The children, when they saw the dresses, they whistled and they burst into clappings and they started appreciating the dresses, which were Wanda's dressing. And how do you know that? We know because even in the end, Peggy and Maddie discussed that I thought I could draw. This line indicates that the dresses Wanda made were more beautiful than the dresses Peggy made. So she appreciated Wanda, which explains that Wanda really made beautiful dresses. So these were the question answers of the 100 dresses, and in the next video we will discuss the next part of 100 dresses. Thank you.